Greetings one and all. Today I'm going to be opening up MRE menu number 10, tuna with noodles. Let's open it up and see what we have for, let's see what's in here first. This is the older brown bag version. Whoa. They put. So we have the main tuna with noodles. Let's see if there's a date on this. I don't even see. Oh wait. 321-4M21-2AF2. Not sure what date that is. That's our main. We have we got pound cake. That should be pretty good. We got the spoon. We have the MRE heater. We'll get that going pretty soon. We got the mini bottle of Tabasco, but it looks kind of gray. I don't know if I'm eating that. Probably not. Apple jelly, which is actually pretty good. I've had that before. The accessory pack. We'll open that in a moment. We have the beverage base powder. Doesn't say what flavor it is though. The crackers, which are typically pretty dull. And we have plain M&Ms. Look at that. That's cool. And that's it. Empty bag. We'll dig into the accessory pouch. We have the matches. The creamer. Taster's Choice coffee, which we're going to go ahead and get right into my mug. We have the salt and sugar, toilet paper, gum, and a wet nap. Water in here. Doesn't take a whole lot of water. Get down in there. Back to the box. Alright, let's take a look at the beverage powder. I think it's lemon lime. It smells like it, so lemon lime. spoon. Not a big fan of lemon lime, to be honest, but we'll give it a try anyway. Looks like my water's about there. It doesn't have to be boiling to make a hot drink, so let's get that in the coffee. And we're going to put the creamer in there. There's a little bit of steam coming from this, but it doesn't feel very... doesn't feel super hot, but boil more water on my stove. That way I can have hot water if I have to submerge it. Alright, let's go ahead and with the lemon lime drink. Not too bad. Go ahead and taste the coffee. Cheers, everybody. Now let's try the crackers and grape jelly, or apple butter. Excuse me, apple jelly. I will say though, in my opinion, the vegetable crackers are so much better tasting than the white ones, or whatever the hell these are. Maybe I'll be surprised, but on the apple butter. Or the apple jelly, excuse me. Should have kneaded it a little bit better. The anonymous Dave gave me this MRE. Really don't know what age it is, but the apple jelly is really good, but the crackers are just kind of boring. But they're still pretty crispy for being as old as it is. Okay, so the crackers weren't too bad actually. So let's try the main. It hasn't been super long, but I want to see how hot it feels. It really doesn't feel hot at all. So looks like there's almost sort of like a soapiness in here. I don't know what that's about. Could be the chemicals from the heater, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the main. Which I don't know if you can see that. It looks like it's covered in soap. Weird. set that to water. Water was a light boil. Maybe if I turn it around a couple times, it'll something will happen. I don't know why it's all foamy though. I've never seen that before. Let's dig into the pound cake and give it a try. Get rid of the moisture absorber. That's what that eats. Kind of looks like a chocolate pound cake. So, oh, chocolate mint. Yeah, it's chocolate mint. It actually doesn't taste too bad. That was kind of the foam I was talking about. Weird. Sort of saving the M&Ms for last. I don't know about that coffee. The coffee sort of has almost like a burnt taste. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not great either. Alright, so what I did is I sent out a text message to Fernbark and the Anonymous Dave, asking him if they knew perhaps what the date was. And the Anonymous Dave thinks it's 214th day of 1993, roughly August 1st, 1993. So we're looking at a 25-year-old MRE. So, thank you, Dave. All right, let's try the main. The 25-year-old tuna noodle. I don't know about the smell. Yeah, I don't know. There's sort of like an aftertaste that I'm not digging. I'm really not digging. Yeah, I think I'm done with that. I don't know what that aftertaste is, but it's really off-putting. Ugh. Alright, well, I'm gonna go collect myself and get back to you. Alrighty, so to recap, the crackers were surprisingly good. The apple jelly was good. I didn't need the package enough though, so it was kind of watery. The coffee was okay. The lemon lime drink I actually finished. It was fairly decent. The noodles, man, it was a weird aftertaste, and I didn't care for it. I don't know what that aftertaste was, but I got about 2 bites in, and I used the creamer. I still have the sugar, the salt, the matches, the toilet paper. So I can put those in, you know, throw those in my pack. I got the gum still, and I got the wet nap. You know, it's always good to have a wet nap. So I'll use those at another date. I do have the M&Ms, so we'll break into those right now. I almost hate to break into it just because the packaging is so different. Nice. So they're not all like fused together and a little chilly, but I don't think it's cold out today. Yeah, the M&Ms are a win. Oh yeah. Alright, well I'm gonna pack up and get stuff done until you have to work tomorrow. But I appreciate you watching. Kind of an interesting 25-year-old MRE. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.